So I thought I'd talk about the audio solution I've been working on. It's a bit different from other ones I've seen, so I thought I'd share it. For a while now, I've been working on a little touchscreen that I was going to embed behind the data panel on the R2. And to drive that, I've been using a Pi Zero, Raspberry Pi Zero. I picked up several of these for around $2 from Micro Center when they're on sale, which is a pretty darn good deal for a small ARM computer. It has a micro SD card, full header, HDMI, USB on the go, and USB power. And it's been working pretty well, for the touchscreen that is. So I've been thinking about audio, and I realized, well, if I already have this embedded ARM system in the R2, why not utilize it? I can put as large of an SD card, micro SD card as I want, and put quite a bit of audio on there. And now the problem is getting the audio out. You'll notice there's no audio jack as there is like on the Pi 3. I think the Pi 3 still has that. From researching options, one possible solution was to just connect a small circuit to some of the GPIO pins and then twiddle those pins from the ARM processor just to generate a PCM wave. It worked, but the audio quality wasn't that good, and it's a bit CPU intensive. However, it does have this HDMI connector, which has audio and video coming out. Now the problem is the audio comes out in a digital format, and it's intertwined with the video signal. Not something I really wanted, because this touchscreen is driven on SPI bus, and we're not using the HDMI for display. So I did a bit of research, and I did find this little device, which I purchased off Banggood for about $12. You can also get them off eBay. And it's an HDMI conversion device. It converts it to the HDMI signal to component out and analog audio left and right. It's intended, I think, if you have a TV without an HDMI input. But it's only driven by 5-volt USB, so it doesn't take a lot of power, at least not yet. It's not a little warm, but not too bad. I'll have to analyze the power requirements, make sure I'm not going to drain my battery. But right now I have the analog output hooked to just a little pair of computer speakers just as a test, since I don't have my amplifier yet. So I'm going to run a quick little MP3. I think it sounds pretty good. Yep, you kill that. So not too bad. I mean, that, like I said, those are really cheap Amazon unbranded computer speakers, and it still sounds pretty good. There's a little bit of noise in the background. That could be from the speakers. I do have the loop suppression device I'm going to add on to the actual amplifier when I get all that hooked up, so maybe that'll help a bit. It's also very quiet, so maybe if I change the balances a bit, it won't be noticeable. So it sounds pretty good to me. I have plenty of space, so I can store lots of audio, and I'm going to give that a try and see how it plays out.